Hey guys, NordVPN's multi-hop feature routes your internet traffic through two VPN servers instead of one, adding an extra layer of security and privacy. This double encryption makes it harder for anyone to trace your online activity. And this will be a full step-by-step guide to activate multi-hop on NordVPN for desktop and mobile devices. So, before starting, ensure that your NordVPN is updated to the latest version. Then, open the NordVPN app on your Windows, Mac OS, iOS or Android device. Now, on desktop, click the Specialty Servers tab located in the left sidebar. For mobile, tap the hamburger menu, that is 3-line icons in the top left corner, and select Specialty Servers. Now, under Specialty Servers, tap or click Double VPN to view the list of available multi-hop server pairs. These pairs route traffic through two VPN servers in different countries for extra protection. Now, browse through the available multi-hop pairs such as US, Canada or Germany and Netherlands. Click or tap your preferred pair based on your location or privacy needs, and remember, multi-hop connections may slightly reduce internet speed due to double encryption. Now, click or tap Connect. Wait a few moments while the app establishes a secure connection through both servers. Once connected, you will see the VPN icon and confirmation of multi-hop connection. You can also verify that your IP address has changed twice by using websites like ipleak.net or whatismyipaddress.com. Check that both server locations are reflected, confirming your multi-hop connection is active. So, activating Nord's multi-hop feature is a straightforward way to boost your online privacy with double encryption. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.